How to fix corrupt registry on Windows 11. So I have got one article which is going to help you out to fix this issue. So let's move into that article. Over here you can see it says how to fix broken registry items in Windows 11. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see the solution to it. The very first thing is to run the CFC or scan now command from an elevated command prompt. This system files taker will make sure all of your Windows system files and DLL files are working properly, and if not, it will attempt to replace them. After that, the next thing you want to do is run the dism command shown below to fix your Windows image if there is a problem with the installation, which should help sort up any problem with your registry. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is clean up the hard drive with the disk cleanup tool to remove any unnecessary files that might be causing registry issues. Also, you can try running a malware scan to make sure there aren't any viruses that are causing your registry errors. So try using these ways to fix your issue. This should definitely help you out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix registry in Windows 11. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.